When people create an expertise-based business or a service-based business, 9.99999, that's the actual statistic, out of 10, get into it for the passion of it. Like, get into it because they're interested in the subject matter. They're not necessarily like, oh, I really want to be the best at marketing. They're like, I want to do the work I'm passionate about that I know can make a difference for people. That is a problem because it's like, it's not the people who are best at what they do that make the most money. It's the people who know how to market who make the most money. When somebody is the person who's like really good at what they do and really passionate about what they do, but they're the best kept secret, they are unnecessarily struggling more than they need to have consistent income and consistent revenue. And then the people that they could be serving are not getting served. You know, these types of businesses end up being dependent on referrals. And that's great. You can build a practice with referrals, but they're still capped by them being the one who's doing the labor.